In this video, I will tell you how to use Ledger Wallet with Phantom Wallet. First, let's discuss the importance of this setup. Although Phantom is an excellent wallet, it's considered a hard wallet since it's connected to the internet, making it susceptible to potential threats. By connecting it to a ledger, your private keys will remain offline and protected, safeguarding you against hacking attempts. Let's start the setup process in the Ledger Live app. You'll need to create a new Solana account directly within Ledger Live rather than importing your existing Phantom recovery phrase as it may have already been exposed online. In Ledger Live, head to Wallet, select Solana, and then tap Receive. This action will prompt you to connect your Ledger device and launch the Solana app on it. Ledger Live will generate a new secure wallet address for you. You need to verify this address on both your smartphone screen and your Ledger device's screen. If they match, confirm it on your Ledger. This step ensures that your private keys are securely stored within the Ledger Secure Element chip. With your Ledger account set up, you can now add it to Phantom. Open the Phantom Wallet app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Add Connect Wallet from the menu and then choose Connect Hardware Wallet. Next, you'll need to pair your Ledger device by following the on screen instructions. For this tutorial, we'll select Solana as the blockchain. You'll be prompted to open the Solana app on your Ledger device, enabling Phantom to establish a connection via Bluetooth. That's it. You'll now see your Ledger secured Solana account on the Phantom home screen. You can confidently use Phantom to interact with dApps, knowing that your private keys are safely stored offline on your Ledger.